Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to write the function y equals to e to the power of s. The graph should be like this. Y equals to e to the power of negative s. The graph should be like this. Next, on the question, they want to find the area under the graph e to the power of s and e to the power of negative s upon the s-axis. That's it, this one. From negative number 1 to positive number 2. So they want to find the area of this one in here. So now I will show you how to answer. So from negative number 1 to number 0, this curve that is about e to the power of s. So we want to find this area in here. So we have the integration from negative number 1 to number 0 of e to the power of s. This one from 0 to number 2, that is about this one. And this is about e to the power of negative s. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of s from negative number 1 to number 0. This one we have negative e to the power of negative s from 0 to number 2. And now we have the final answer in here. So we calculate this one and we have like this. So 1 plus 1 we have number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.